Hello guys, in this video I am going to tell you how to log in your Instagram account on a laptop. So without further any delay, we go into the video. First of all, open any browser. I am opening Chrome and type on the search bar Instagram. Now click enter. Click on the first website you all are going to see, Instagram. And then you will get an interface like this. On the right side, you have to enter either your mobile number, username or email ID and your password to log in. If in case you forget your password, you can click here forget password and then log into your account. So let's say I use my email ID and my Instagram password. And now after entering password, click on login. Here is how can you log in your Instagram on a laptop or a PC. So thank you everyone.